Okay guys, so today I want to show you the impact of the triangle shape on its sound. So here you see a rather pure triangle shape which has a typical hollow sound. However, if the triangle has some distortion, for example from the sawtooth to triangle converter, like this, you can immediately hear the difference. The sound becomes much more sharp, has much more harmonics. Also, the symmetry of the triangle can be adjusted often within the sawtooth to triangle converter. If the symmetry is not great, like I will adjust here, even if you are able to make the triangle have no distortion due to the jump, you could still hear that the bad symmetry approaches the sound of a sawtooth wave. The really low harmonic content of a good triangle,